Your flight leaves in 2 hours. You reach the front of the line. The agent smiles and says, "Passport, please. Window or aisle." And suddenly, in English, at a busy airport, with people waiting behind you, your mind goes completely blank. Never again. After today's lesson, you can check in, go through security, find your gate, and get on the plane, calmly, and all in English. Hello, and welcome back to Lessons. This is day 13 of our 30-day English practice challenge, and today we go to the airport, in English. Remember how this works. I say every phrase, and after it there is a pause. That pause is for you. Say the phrase out loud. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Checking in. You arrive at the desk. Start with a friendly, easy sentence. I'd like to check in, please. Repeat after me. I'd like to check in, please. Then, give them what they need, before they even ask. Here is my passport. Repeat after me. Here is my passport. And tell them about your bags. I have one bag to check. Repeat after me. I have one bag to check. To check a bag means to give it to the airline for the airplane. The bag you keep with you is your carry-on. One bag to check, one carry-on, very common. Part 2. The questions they ask you. Now the agent asks you things. Fast. Let's learn them. So you're ready. Aisle or window? That's your seat. The window seat is by the window. The aisle seat is next to the walking space, easy to stand up. Just answer with what you want. A window seat, please. Repeat after me. A window seat, please. Next question you will always hear. Did you pack your bags yourself? The answer is simple. Yes, I did. Say it clearly. Yes, I did. Repeat after me. Yes, I did. And one more they love to ask. Any liquids or electronics? Tell them what's in your bag. Just my laptop. Repeat after me. Just my laptop. Part 3. Going through security. Security is fast and a little stressful, but you only need a few phrases. Sometimes they stop you, and you're not sure what to do. Just ask, do I take off my shoes? Repeat after me. Do I take off my shoes? Take off means to remove. Take off your shoes. Take off your jacket. Take off your belt. Very useful at security. And if they ask about your bag, be honest and calm. I have nothing to declare. Repeat after me. I have nothing to declare. To declare means to tell them about something special you are carrying. Most of the time, the answer is nothing to declare. And when you're not sure about the rules, can I take this through? Repeat after me. Can I take this through? Part 4. Finding your gate. You're through security. Now, where do you go? The gate is the door where you get on your plane. Ask anyone in a uniform. Where is the gate? Repeat after me. Where is the gate? Be more exact, and say your gate number or your flight. Which gate is for Flight 221? Repeat after me. Which gate is for Flight 221? And the most important question of all, you need to know if you have time. Is the flight on time? Repeat after me. Is the flight on time? On time means not late. The answer might be good news or bad news. Listen for this word, delayed. Delayed means late. Your flight is delayed, so you have to wait. And listen for boarding. Boarding means it's time to get on the plane. Now boarding at gate 12, that's you. Go. Part 5. On the plane. You made it. You show your boarding pass, you walk down the plane, and you look for your seat. But someone is sitting in it. Be polite. Smile. And say this. Excuse me, I think that's my seat. Repeat after me. Excuse me, I think that's my seat. Then find a place for your bag. Is there space for my bag? Repeat after me. Is there space for my bag? And during the flight, if you need something, just ask the flight attendant. Could I have some water, please? Repeat after me. Could I have some water, please? Part 6. Real conversation. The whole check-in, from hello to the gate. First, just listen. Good morning. Where are you flying today? Good morning. I'd like to check in, please. Here is my passport. Thank you. Are you checking any bags? Yes, I have one bag to check. Aisle or window? A window seat, please. Did you pack your bags yourself? Yes, I did. Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is number 12, and the flight is on time. Boarding starts at 10:30. Thank you so much. Now it's your turn. I am the agent. You are the traveler. Answer in the pauses. Ready? Step up to the desk. Good afternoon. Where are you flying today? Tell me, and ask to check in. Of course. Are you checking any bags? Answer. One bag or no bags. Aisle or window? Choose your seat. Did you pack your bags yourself? You know this one. Answer clearly. Great. Here is your boarding pass. Do you have any questions? Ask me where your gate is. Or if the flight is on time. The flight is on time. Gate 15. Have a wonderful trip. And thank the agent. Wonderful. You just checked in for a flight. In English. Calm, clear, and confident. Here is your challenge for today. In the comments, tell me, where are you flying? Write one sentence, I'm flying to. And your dream city. Paris, Tokyo, New York? Tell me where, and choose your seat, window or aisle. I read the comments, and I will reply to you. Day 13. Complete. You did a great job today. Practice these before your next trip, and the airport will never scare you again. If this lesson helped you, press the like button and subscribe for day 14. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.